Have you made your vision board for 2025 yet? Or you just like me, still thinking about the amazing things you want to accomplish but not sure where to start yet? Hi, I'm Anne. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, happy 2025. And today I would like us to talk about something that can feel and be inspired by every single day, a vision board. Whether you focus on growing your career or you want to prioritize your personal growth or unleash your creativity, this is the perfect way for you to visualize the life you want to create. So, what is a vision board and why is everyone talking about it? A vision board is a creative way to set your goals and stay inspired. It's a collage of images, symbols, and words that reflect the life you want to build. I know this time of the year, many of us are thinking about the goals we have for 2025. Maybe you have written down a list of things you want to achieve, or you have created an action plan. That's great, but let me tell you why a vision board is a game changer. When you visualize your goals, it activates your brain's focus and help you align your actions with your dreams. It's not just about seeing your future, it's about believing in it. When creating a vision board, think about the areas of life that matter the most to you. For example, you can start by creating the career goals side, where you can include images of dream job you want to into hours, or even quotes that motivate you to work harder and smarter. Growth, you can add affirmations, books you want to read, or habits you want to build. I'm curious how you can start creating your vision board. First of all, set your intentions. What do you want to achieve in 2025? And then gather your supplies. My go-to tools are Pinterest and Canva. First of all, I'll go to Pinterest to search for images and motivational quotes that inspire me. For example, if I'm focusing on my career growth, I will search for images of workspaces or even motivational quotes that reflect the life I want to create. And then after getting all my visuals, I'll go to Canva. Canva makes it super easy because you can search for vision board templates that align with your style, and then you can drag and drop and then create a beautiful collage of your goals for the year. The best part about using Canva is that you can customize everything from the layouts to colors or even the text. And this makes it a perfect tool to create a vision of the life you want to build. Whether you're looking for something bold and colorful or something clean and minimal, Canva is your perfect tool. One thing you have to remember when creating a vision board is that a vision board is your personal space, so you are allowed to dream big and create something that excites you. Once your vision board is ready, put it somewhere you can see it every day. For me, I like to use it as a wallpaper on my phone or even on my laptop. This helps me get reminded every single day of what I'm working towards and the dream life I want to create for myself. So, are you ready to create your 2025 vision board? Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, or even leave down one goal you are excited to accomplish in 2025. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and happy vision boarding. I will see you in my next video. Bye.